Oh wow, I have a pimple. Not 100% healthy, mentally or physically. It's not right to move out. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Nadia, back at it again with another video. Guys, this video, I'm not even sure I'm gonna upload. I'm actually getting ready to film another video. And I thought I might as well film it, get ready with me, get 2 videos out at one time. I recently have been wearing less and less makeup just because I wanted to start taking care of my skin and I want to focus more on skincare than, covering any imperfections. I'd rather have those imperfections show and just work on improving my skin. So this is going to be a fairly short, uncomplicated video because I really have been focusing on not wearing that much makeup. Basically, what time is it? I don't even have my watch. It's actually nighttime right now. It's about 8 o'clock and I just wanted to film a video. So I really don't want to wear a lot of makeup, but this is what I usually wear on a regular. So the first thing I do before starting my makeup is I moisturize. Lately, I've been loving the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizer. Focus on this, but it is my favorite moisturizer at the moment. I used to always wear the Pond's Dry Skin Cream, but lately I've been loving this. So I just dump some on my palm and moisturize. It's just a great moisturizer. I love it. Lately I've been leaving my eyebrows alone. If you know me, you know I always fill in my eyebrows with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow powder. Lately I've been leaving my eyebrows alone. I've been trying to just grow them out naturally and just have them natural. I will tweeze them here and there. I probably should tweeze them right now, but I think I'm okay with this. So I'm just going to move on to priming my face for foundation. The primer that I've been using for so long, I'm kind of freaked out that it's not even done yet. It's the Milk Makeup Primer. I forgot what it's called. It's called the Blur Stick. I love this so much. It's so good. Yeah. It clears out your pores. It hides your pores and any imperfections that you have. It is kind of pricey, but I don't know if this gets expired, but I've had this for over a year now. Been using it every day and I still have so much product left, so the price is definitely worth it. Ah, dang it. Okay, so I should have done this before I primed because this is like an essential part of my everyday skin makeup routine. Lately I've been using a massaging eye roller underneath my eyes because if y'all didn't watch my previous video, I just turned 23 and I'm getting older and it's time to take care of under your eyes. So I got this water break massaging eye roller. I got this from Dwayne Reed actually. But basically you just whenever I wake up I tend to get really swollen. Like my eyes get swollen, under my eyes get swollen, and I just look like a big mess. So lately what I've been doing is before I put my primer on, I massage underneath my eyes for like 2 or 3 minutes. So you just squeeze this, put the product under your eyes. Oh, and it just feels so good. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go into foundation now. I primed, moisturized, did my massage on my eyes, and I'm gonna do a light coat of foundation. The foundation that I want to use today is L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Makeup Foundation. I love this foundation because it's super lightweight, but it's also buildable if you want that extra coverage. If you're curious, the color that I use is W6 Sun Beige. Yo, I think this foundation froze overnight because I live in New York and we had the coldest weeks of the year, so I don't know. Ah, fudge. This is what happened to me. Okay, well, it's okay. I'm gonna take a shower after this video. And while I'm putting it on, let's do a little chatty get ready with me. So basically, I don't even know what to say, but it is December. I can't believe it's gonna be 2020. So quick. This year flew by. Honestly, I'm excited because I feel that 2020 will be my best decade. I actually turned 23, and 23 is my golden year because I was born on November 23rd. Okay, let's say you were born November 8th. When you're 8 years old, it's your golden year. So hopefully it's actually my golden year and all my dreams come true. I really hope it does. But anyways, I'm going to take my Airbrush Precision Foundation brush from Sephora and just spray it with a little mist. Yeah, but basically, ooh, that looks so good. But basically, I just feel really excited for this year. I know I'm going to really concentrate on my dreams. I graduated college. You know, I'm starting to really like my job, although it's not my long-term job. I've accepted that wherever I am, I just want to grow, and I'm going to see where life takes me. Yeah, but I'm also gonna have my side hustle of YouTube, because I don't care if I get 80 views or like 1,000 views, 100,000 views. I don't care. I realize that doing this makes me happy, and knowing that I'm doing something where it's possible that my dreams will come true just makes me go through life a lot happier, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I just like sitting in front of a camera and talking and doing my makeup. I've been doing it since I was 12 years old. And I'm gonna keep doing it. Basically, that's all I do to my face. I don't like wearing concealer because it makes me look too cakey. I really just like keeping it simple for the everyday makeup. I've been using the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Powder. I'm just gonna go ahead and like dab that on. I haven't been contouring, I haven't been highlighting. I've been keeping it super natural. Like, who am I? Also, I recently just got a keratin treatment on my hair, and I'm really liking it, although I do miss my crazy frizzy hair. Oh wow, I have a pimple. It's cute. I'm just gonna add a little bit of color on my cheeks. I do love this blush. It's from Wet n Wild. I love Wet n Wild blushes, and this is called Mellow Wine. It adds a nice little rosy flush to the cheeks. Yeah. But anyways, 2020, I just want to travel, save money, and eventually move out. If you guys have kept up with my channel, you know that I was supposed to move out last year, but certain things happened in my life that delayed that, and I don't know if I'm going to talk about these events that kind of slowed down stuff in my life. I probably will eventually, but everything happens for a reason, and I feel like I wasn't ready to move out last year, but maybe this year or the following year I will be. My happiness, my overall mental health, physical health, not 100% healthy, mentally or physically. It's not right to move out. It's not good to live on your own. I want to feel comfortable in my own skin before I leave my parents. I did the blush, and I really don't like to do anything else but lipstick. Like I said, I have been keeping it super natural, especially because it's winter and wearing too much makeup is just gonna dry up your face. My camera just shut off, and I don't know where it was. Basically, I just finished my face, and I'm just adding some lip liner before I add my lips. I can't really talk while I'm doing this part, so fast forward. Anyways, I don't know if this part was caught on camera, but I was just saying how I'm very excited for 2020 because it's going to be the year where I really try to accomplish my dreams and I don't have any excuse. So I think this lipstick is a little bit too pink for this lip liner, so I'm going to find something else. Maybe one of these lipsticks. I love like nudie oranges, so I think I'm going to go with this one because I want something a little different, a little bit brighter. This is a Maybelline lipstick in Spice for Me. Ooh, I like it. Okay, I'm just gonna spray my face with some mist. And guys, I kid you not, that's literally all I've been doing to my face lately because I really just want to focus on my skin, and this shirt's dirty. I just want to focus on my skin and my health, and I've just been keeping it light on the makeup. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is probably a really short video, but I have another video that I'm filming right after this, so go ahead and watch that next. If you guys enjoyed this video, just my little short chatty get ready with me, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit like, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notifications to get notified for whenever I post, you know, all that good shiz. And I have a lot more videos coming up soon. I'm super motivated for 2020. It's gonna be a good year, and thank you guys so much for watching. For 2020, I've really been focusing on health more than makeup, skin health, physical health, which is why this has been my everyday makeup routine. But I will be coming up with a New Year's look or a holiday look. I'm not sure which one I want to focus on, but stay tuned for that, and I will see you in my next video.